Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 13. So we are at Hongwei Shopping Mall. We are about to go to Heecha, and going to Heecha is just a reminder that during this Christmas season you have to take breaks. You have to trust what God is doing for you in this season and doing with you in this season. And even though there's a lot of hustle and bustle, it's okay to step back from the responsibilities, step back from the obligations, step back from everything that is planned, especially if it seems as if things are not going right. It's okay to step back, relax, take a breather, and this is just literally stepping back, taking a breather, and going to chill at Heecha. It's one of our favorite drink spots here, not just in Portmore but also in Ligani when there wasn't a location in Portmore. So we are just stepping back and relaxing today, Friday the 13th of December. So come with us. I'm going to get something that I have already had. Zachary said he's gonna try something new. So of course I'm gonna show you guys what we're getting and show you the famous Heecha. So Heecha is on the first floor at Hongwei Mall. So we're in the elevator. So we most of the time take the elevator. So the first floor, and coming out of the elevator, it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 6th store coming out of the elevator, heading down the corridor. Go, you can go. Good night. May I have a blueberry bubble?
Nothing in blueberry.
I have nothing.
I'm sorry, nothing in blueberry.
Oh, that's fine. All right. All right. What you say you was going to get? I have no idea. All right. Matcha. I can get a. No, I don't want that because it's going to be too big. I don't want.
May I have a passion smoothie, please? Sure, what size?
The large one.
You want to add anything to it? No, thank you.
You don't want any boba in it?
No, no more
Tapioca.
boba.
You want the
Just
tapioca
have
bar?
popping.
Oh,
No more boba for the night.
in a small lock.
We just boba finish and
Oh. How the lemon smoothie taste?
This
You
like
know?
lemonade, but in a slushy form.
Alright, give me that, please.
What's
Large.
that, large?
Yeah.
Want anything to yours?
Yes, please. I would like lychee popping boba.
Alright, that's it. Alright, do 5.
Okay. So, this is how Zachary and I tend to relax. We go try new food. So I would really like for you guys to tell me in the comments how you guys relax. Yeah, how you like to relax. What you guys do to step back and just share with us. So we're waiting on our drink. No, the process is not long, and we were the only ones here. Somebody else just came in, so process shouldn't be long. And I hear them blending already. So all right, so we got our drink and we are heading back to the car. So I got a lemon smoothie with lychee popping boba, and you got a
Passion smoothie.
passion.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought you got peach, and he got a passion smoothie. So yeah, this is really good. As the girl said, it tasted like Tastes like lemonade. So good, so refreshing. It's not sweet. So this is the end of Vlogmas Day 13. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please just trust the process of what God is doing for you, with you, and in your life this season. I pray God's richest blessing this and every season, as Zachary said. I pray God's richest blessing on your life, your family's life, and everything that you put your hand to will become prosperous. Bye, guys.
Hosanna, 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 we make a chain breaker with you, got me safer. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna.